Matthew, can you explain to us what a thermopile is?
Absolutely. So thermal piles are actually a process that we do here, which is insulating the inside of the pile. So we can all agree that a pile acts sort of as a chimney. So if there's nothing in there, the heat can just escape from the ground and get frost at the base. What we did is we put in thermal insulation on the inside of the pile, preventing any frost movement from the ground and preventing it from freezing at the base. That way you get a more solid pile and something that won't move.